Have you ever asked yourself, why have I not attracted romance, my soulmate, love into my life? Been trying to use The Secret. I've been trying to use the law of attraction. I just really want a boyfriend. I just really want a girlfriend. It hasn't happened yet. That's what I wondered, and I did this thing I'm about to share with you, and then my life started to change, and I attracted in my soulmate. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. It is a beautiful, slightly rainy day here in Maui. I'm sitting underneath my overhang right now, and I want to share with you this because it's going to allow love and romance to flow into your life a lot easier. So let's dive right into this video. So when I was starting my career, when I started running my first seminars and retreats, there was a guy that attended them, and they were very small at the time, and I went in a circle. I had been talking about subconscious programming and addressing different subjects, whether it was money or love or whatnot. Now, this dude raises his hand, and I ask everyone for their big takeaway. He's like, I actually would tell people, love is pain. That was his definition of love. It wasn't like a joke. He wasn't like, yeah, love's pain. It was his actual definition. He thought that that was like philosophical and noble, and that love was just about struggle, and love was pain. That was his actual definition of what love was. So it starts to make a lot of sense why it was relationship after relationship, they didn't work out. Why? Why is this so painful? Why is this so stressful? Why is this not working out? Why did she cheat on me? Why did she do this? Why did this happen? At the time, you probably didn't know the answer, but now we know because you just said love is pain. So if that's your definition of what love is, and your consciousness is what creates reality, and you've decided love is pain, the only thing that can ultimately manifest after lustful stages, after exciting, romantic, oh my gosh, honeymoon, this is never gonna end stages, after that type of romance, it always leads to pain. Your definition of what love is what creates love. Comment down below, love is unconditional. Comment down below, love is unconditional. Comment that down below, love is unconditional. Say that to yourself, love is unconditional. Comment it down below, love is unconditional. Love is one of the primest ways to look at how subconscious programming creates reality. I read a statistic recently that 50% of marriages end in divorce. So what that means is, there's a 1 out of 2 chance that you saw divorce while you were a child and your subconscious mind was being programmed. Rooster, a lot of roosters out here in Maui. So, wild roosters at that. And if you didn't see it yourself, you probably saw it from a friend. What that means is it also came with a lot of emotions. I'm sure you could think of times, if you were somebody that came from a divorced family, you could think of times the first time you realized everything was not a-okay. I can recall the first time I remember a big argument. I think I was in 6th or 7th grade. I was probably in 7th grade with my parents before they ultimately got divorced. I can remember it so vividly. Everything that was said, everything that happened. It was the first time I realized everything was not a-okay. Now, those types of things program into your subconscious, and if they aren't reprogrammed, what can happen is subconsciously, because you have an emotional mind and your brain's job is to protect you, your subconscious mind can then go subconsciously say love is pain, or love is bad, or love is hard, or love never works out. And it's just the way your mind's trying to make sense of your reality while you're being programmed in the earlier stages of your life. And if you don't realize it, that program sits within you, because 95% of your life is created by subconscious programming. And almost all of that programming in the earlier stages of our life, unless it's been reprogrammed, is negative and redundant. So comment down below, I attract love. Comment that down below, I attract love. Comment that down below, I attract love. There was a woman at my seminar. I ran a seminar 2 years ago. It's called the Genius Within Seminar. And we actually give that for free away for the people that join the Second Mind community. Man, those roosters are so crazy. Let's go check them out. Right there down below is thesecondmind.com. You could demo it for free if you want. It's right there down below, thesecondmind.com, right there down below. Oh man, there's like 5 or 6 of these roosters right here. In this seminar, I was talking about subconscious programming, and look at all these roosters. 6 of them, I think. And in this seminar, this lady, I forget her name now. If you're watching this video, comment down below if it's you. She came up to me at a break and she said, I gotta tell you something. I came to this seminar because I really wanted to attract romance into my life, and I didn't know why it was never working out. And I forget exactly how old she was, bare minimum 50 for her age. And she said it never really worked out for her, and she didn't know why. You know, that's why I said at the beginning of this video, have you been wanting to attract love and romance and you haven't been able to do it? So make sure you keep watching this video, okay? Please keep watching this video. It's going to help you. She goes, oh my gosh, I finally realized. When my parents were arguing and ultimately got divorced, I said to myself, if this is love, I definitely don't want it. She was a little kid then, but she told herself, if this is love, I definitely don't want it. Now the trouble with that is your subconscious mind stays with you unless you reprogram it. She didn't know that, but her subconscious mind was operating from her little self when she was a 6-year-old. As a 6-year-old, she said, if this is love, I don't want it. So every time her relationships got intimate or things started happening, something would sabotage it. Unconsciously an argument, this would happen with the guy, or she would do this, and it was like, oh my gosh, why is this happening again? And it would happen again because your subconscious mind is what controls what you attract into your life, and love is one of the most emotional things ever, right? And the subconscious mind is an emotional mind, so it's programmed by what it saw around it. Now you could be programmed to block money because your parents got divorced and argued over money, right? Like all of these things are in the subconscious. Now it's time to be free from them. So what I want you to do is comment down below, I am pure love. Comment that down below right now. I am pure love. Comment it down below. I am pure love. Comment it down below. I am pure love. Really a beautiful day here. It's kind of cold, which is nice because we got the rain going on. Comment down below, I am love. And what I want you to do is I want you to go down below to thesecondmind.com and I want you to demo my software, my manifestation technique, the second mind. I made this designed to retrain your brain because when your brain gets wrapped up in these emotions over a long period of time, what actually happens is your brain gets conditioned to block you from attracting love or romance into your life. My software, my manifestation technique, the second mind, which is a brand new manifestation technique that doesn't exist out there in the world, is designed to retrain your brain. And there's one specifically on love. So you can demo one for free on abundance right there down below. It's thesecondmind.com. It's right there down below, thesecondmind.com right there down below. That's thesecondmind.com. So go down right there down below and demo the second mind for free. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. The bell notification is right over there, and the bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. Is right over there. So hit that bell notification right there down below. Like this video to support the channel. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to comment down below how you've been programmed with love. Maybe it's fantastic, or maybe you were programmed with something like what I shared in this video. Comment it down below. It's going to inspire everyone else. And what I'm setting the intention for is as you comment it down below, it's actually going to free you from that programming entirely because you're becoming totally conscious of it. As you accept it, you free yourself from it. So comment down below what's one of those ways that you've been programmed right there down below, and let's be free from it. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. I'm wishing you a fantastic day. Love is headed your way. Comment down below one way you've been programmed and now you are free.